Hello, today we're going to fix the problem with resizing CMD on the old version of Windows OS. To begin, open the Run command and type CMD. Then press Enter. As you can see, we can't change the width, but we can resize the height. So, to fix this problem, we need to go to Properties. On the Layout tab, we can see the width of 80. Just change it to the number of pixels you want. I use 100 pixels. It has to be wide now, but we can't resize them manually. We'll use this technique again, but this time, I'll make it bigger than before. Now you can also resize the width to the size you want. Let's try the second approach. Before I do the second method, I change back to the original width size by making it 80, then OK. I will make the font for CMD bigger because it is too small for me. Right-click on the top menu again. Choose the Font tab to select the Consola's font family and change the font size you want. Make the font bigger, and also make the width and height of CMD wider too. If we use the W-Might command, we can easily resize the terminal or CMD. To exit the command, type exit twice. If we type CMD, it makes no change at all. If you want to set the width and height, first resize the CMD width and height. Then click on Properties, and then OK. If you exit the command line and open it again, it will know exactly the width and height that you just set it ahead. Just use the W-Might command as a free transform tool on the old version of CMD. Thank you for watching this video.